This week I am testing the brand new Jeep Grand Cherokee L. This is a big 7-seater model and this is the top spec Summit Reserve. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The child seat section of this review is brought to you by InfoSecure. In the back of the Jeep Grand Cherokee L, there are ISOFIX across all 3 second row seats, which is fantastic. And I could get 3 InfoSecure child seats across this middle row, all using ISOFIX, which is great news. There's very few cars that can do that. Now, all 5 rear seats have top tether anchorages on the back of them, which is great news, and we could easily fit 5 full-size InfoSecure child seats in the back here. Now, the other great news is third row access is also really good in the Jeep Grand Cherokee L. With rear-facing or forward-facing child seats using the ISOFIX, not the seatbelt, you can easily bring these second row seats forward with a nice step through to the third row. Now, also, more great news is the legroom is fantastic in here. Now, we could fit 7 fully grown adults in this car with heaps of legroom. Or we could put a 6-foot passenger in the back, rear-facing child seat, and a 182 plus centimetre driver in the front. To learn more about the child seats used in this video, just click on the link here. Storage in the back of the Jeep Grand Cherokee L is very good. In the third row, there's a cup holder on either side. They will hold a reusable or disposable coffee cup, and a refillable water bottle fits in them too. And you've got USB-C charging sockets back there too. Now, in the second row, there's a fold down in the central seat back with 2 cup holders. They'll hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup, and a refillable water bottle fits there too. The door bins are a good size. They will hold a refillable water bottle, and an iPad fits in them. And there's little handle wells in the doors too. There's a mat pocket on the back of both front seats that will hold but not conceal an iPad. Now, in the back of the central console, there are USB and USB-C sockets, and there's a 12-volt and a plug socket in there too. In the front of the Jeep Grand Cherokee, the storage is very good. There are 2 cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. In front of them is a phone charging pad with USB sockets in there too. The central console box is a really good size, and it has a shelf in the top. The glove box is a good size and would easily hold my wallet and iPad with the manual. And the door bins are lovely and large in the front. They'll easily hold a refillable water bottle and an iPad, and there's the little storage handle wells too. There are window blinds in the second row windows of the Jeep Grand Cherokee, which is fantastic for keeping those rear passengers shaded from the sun while you're driving along. There are air vents in the second and third row in the side pillars, which are great for being able to keep the rear passengers at the right temperature too. The boot of the Jeep Grand Cherokee L opens with a beep and closes that way too. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot. When using 5 seats, it will hold 20 shopping bags, or a twin pram and 12 shopping bags, a tandem pram and 14 shopping bags, a single pram and 14 shopping bags, or a compact stroller and 18 shopping bags, or a large dog. When using all 7 seats, it will hold 7 shopping bags, or a twin pram and 2 shopping bags, a tandem pram and 1 shopping bag, a single pram and 3 shopping bags, or a compact stroller and 5 shopping bags, or a small dog. The Jeep Grand Cherokee L comes with this fantastic fam cam, which allows you to keep an eye on all 5 rear passengers while you're driving along, which is great for parent anxiety, especially when you've got little rear-facing passengers. The media system in the Jeep Grand Cherokee L is really lovely and simple to use, and you can control the rear and the front aircon from here too, which is really lovely. And you can control the massage front seats from here too. You've got massage, you've also got heated and cooled, and you've got a heated steering wheel too, which is really nice. Now, the sat nav is really lovely and easy to use in here, and you can control the volume easily. It has got CarPlay, which is fantastic. You can also control your cameras from here and turn the fam cam on and off in the back. Now, the rear view cameras have stopped working during this filming and today, so if they come back on tomorrow, maybe I'll film it again, but for now they are not working. But I can tell you that they are lovely and clear, and you can turn the parking sensors off with a button just above the screen here. And this one has a V6 petrol engine, which after driving a lot of electric cars does feel and sound quite agricultural. Now, it's really good to drive, it's great off-road, you can raise and lower the height of the vehicle, which is really helpful too, and really nice and easily with a button in the central console. Now, a car this size, you would expect the turning circle to be enormous, but actually it's really nice and small, which makes driving around town and things like that just as nice as when you're driving it off-road. Now, visibility is really good in here. Even when you've got all the child seats in the back, you can see really nicely out of the sides, and when those cameras are working, really nicely using those out of the back too. So to sum up with the Jeep Grand Cherokee L, what an amazing baby drive. I'm not sure if any other car can compete. You can get those 5 child seats in the back with top tether anchorages, 3 Isofix across that middle row, and excellent third row access. The boot space is fantastic, even when you're using all 7 seats. The fam cam is fantastic, and the 360 exterior camera too. Media system is great, aircon in all rows, and connectivity.